Hi everyone. In this video, I will going to show you how you can get the total revenue, total budget from this movie dataset. I have the movie dataset where I have movie ID, title, industry, and the other things are there. And I have to get the budget, total budget and total revenue from here. So, can you say that from this dataset, uh, the the budget that you are getting one. What is one here? It is in billions and it is in INR also. Okay, and this is 200 millions. So if you are adding both those things, you will get 201 what? Million or billion. So for that, to get the total budget, what you have to do? You have to do if you have to convert those things into the million or billion, then you can add the quantity. Otherwise, if you just do this one, okay, and start counting, you will get some this much 7 to 1 this, but it is not the correct way. So for that, you have to create the uh, budget, budget million, okay, budget million, and what you have to create, you have to create revenue ML, and this one and budget INR. I revenue. So these are the quantity I have to create basically. I will show you. These are the quantities I have to create. So how I create the budget? Budget in million. So for that you have to use the formula, that is if formula. If is equals to, if what is, if tab uh, if budget, okay, the my budget, okay, equals to budget in what? If my budget is in billion, you can create billion, billions, billions. If my budget is in billion, then multiply budget with how much? 1000. We know 1 billion equals to how much? 100, 1000 million. Okay, and otherwise you have to write the what? Budget. Just close it, and if you press the enter, you will get the value. Okay, look at here. Okay, is there something wrong? Because I'm getting the budget, same budget here. Billions, Billi, billions. Okay, I made the uh so I figured it out. There is something that I made the mistake, because we have to see the budget, right? If budget is one, you have to multiply with this thing. Is that make any sense? No. So for that, you have to use the one thing, that is if unit is in the billions, right? Billions equals to what? Unit. In place of 8, you just write this one. If the unit equals to in billions, then budget multiply this one and look at the formula. Now you get the actual formula or correct values, that if the budget is in uh, 1 billion, you will get multiply with 1000. So 1 billion equals to 100, 1000 million. Okay, got it. Now same here, equals to if my uh, unit equals to in, I'll just press here, billions multiply what, revenue with 1000, with 1000, otherwise write the what, revenue. Just okay. Now you got the revenue. You can cross check also, because this is what, uh, 12.5 billions. It is, if you uh, do that thing, you will get the like thousands, this much value. And now in INR, okay. Now how you will going to convert this thing in INR? Same formula, equals to equals to if your currency equals to INR. Okay, if the currency in USD is USD, then what you have to do? You have to multiply. You have to multiply this budget in million, right? Because if we do this thing again, we have to convert that budget only into the millions. So I'm getting this one, budget with what? So tell me the exchange rate. What is the value of right now? $1 equals to how much Indian rupees? I checked the Google. I got 88. So I'm just writing the 88 right now. Multiply what? 88. And if not, what I have to write? I have to write this one. What? This one. Budget. Close. Okay. Now look at here. It is in INR. It is same, but it is USD. This changes. It multiply, uh, 88 multiply 2. So 60. Yeah, it's same. Same here. If my revenue is in, if my revenue equals to in INR, so equals to if my, no, not this one. If my currency equals to USD, comma, then multiply budget into 88. Then if you are not getting the USD, just leave it in INR. So what I have to leave it, this one, close, got the value. Now, is it good? No, I guess, because I'm getting the this one, right? So where I made the mistakes. Okay, I have to add the revenue, not the budget. Here I made the mistakes. Here I made the mistake again. I have to take the revenue. Okay, now it makes sense. And I got the value. Now you have to find what? You can get the total revenue and the total uh, total what? So I want what? I want the total revenue. Okay, I want the total revenue. So how I get the total revenue? Just here, click equals to sum of. Okay, not is this one. Control Z, delete it, and press this shift upward. Press bracket. You get the this one. So this is what total budget budget INR. Total budget in INR is this much. Now, if you drag this formula here, you will get the that revenues in INR. So this is in revenue INR. Okay, so you can write revenue INR total. Okay, in total period total INR. Yes, we got it. So this is the two things. Now you have to find the few quantities that I will show you. Okay, you have to find few things. That is this one. Okay, so these are the things you have to get. First one is total movies. So you have to find the total movies. How many movies are there? How you get the total movies? Uh, just do the release year. This is the movie title, right? Now you can count equals to count and mm, count and go to this side. Just drag it from here to movie ID. Okay, go to this one and just uh, close the bracket. You will get the total movies is 39 and the total movies of Bollywood. So what you can do, you can use the count, but you have to find the only Bollywood movies, right? So if you are counting all the movies, then you will get the total 29, 39. So to how to count the total like Bollywood movies only. So for that you have the one function that is called count if your range. Which one is the range? This one equals to Bollywood. Mm, Uh, yeah, Bollywood. So in this formula, you have to do the slightly modification because we don't have to write the equal to here. Just press this one, and after that, if you press enter, you will get the 18. The total 18 is the total Bollywood movie. Now you have to find the revenue. So for that, revenue in what? The total revenue of in INR. INR. Okay. So for that, suppose so press equals to sum. Uh, okay, you have to use the sum if suppose sum if um sum if industry, right, the industries, okay, equals to Bollywood, what do you have to sum? You have to sum the this one, right? What we find? We have Bollywood revenue. So the revenue. So here also in this formula you have to modify slightly this one. Just press remove this equal to and press comma here. Now if you press enter now, you will get this one is the total revenue in INR. Now you want to find the average revenue. What you can do, you can just equals to uh, average, or you can write direct this one divided by total Bollywood movies, right? So if you press enter, you will get this much average, and just do uh, this much is the average Bollywood revenue, and the average Bollywood revenue in INR. Average Bollywood revenue in INR. What we can write? Uh, Total Bollywood revenue. This one divided by this the total revenue, and press enter. You will get this one. Okay, clear here, and just convert into the percentage. It is roughly 5%. Okay. So overall, this one is the percentage of Bollywood movies in the like whole movies column. So it is roughly 5%. So this way you can get the all the values. Okay, like the other quantities also. So this is for the this much for the today's video. Now in the next video we will going to see more and more like complex that you can clarify and like improve the data source. So thank you for watching. Bye.